I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Word. The same method can be used to turn on dark mode in any of the Microsoft applications. And in fact, once you've turned it on in one application, it's turned on automatically in the others. Okay, so you may be finding your Microsoft Word or Excel or PowerPoint application a little bit bright, especially if you're working at night, and you want to turn on dark mode. Very easy to do. Go to the File tab on your ribbon, go down to Account, and then under Office Theme, you change the option to black. Then if you go back to your document using this back button, you'll see that not only is the interface in dark mode, but so is your document. Now, if you want to see how your document will actually appear when you print out, because it's still going to print out with a white background, just go to the View tab and use this Switch Modes button. Don't get confused with things like font color. For example, the font color is still set to black, but it's appearing as white on a black background. If you change the font color to white, thinking that it will show up on a black background, it will do exactly the opposite, because these settings reflect how the actual document will print out, which will be on a white background. So I'll just apply my black text to this heading again, and I'm going to go back and switch off black mode. Now, if you really did want to print out with a black background or create a PDF with a black background, then what you need to do is go to the Design tab on your ribbon and then go to Page Color and choose a black background there. If your text has disappeared, for example, if I'd have chosen black here as a theme color, you can see that it actually disappears from the document. What you need to ensure is that your text is applied with the automatic font color, and then it will adapt to whatever background you have in your document. And you can see how this works. If I go to Page Color and I change the color from a light gray to a dark gray, eventually it's going to automatically change the color of the text. And that's because I have that automatic font color applied to my document. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.